Today I have a Faac brand remote. This one I'm going to program it. This is the original remote, and I'm going to program the jMA remote. I'm going to show you how to program this remote, jMA remote. Press the lock and unlock button together. When LED is on, just lift your hand and choose the button you want to program it. Example, this one. Press it. Now press the original remote until the LED is going to be green. When LED is going to be green, just left it. Okay. Now you can check it on the barrier if it is going to work or not. So just now it's working. This Faac brand with the jMA MBT remote. I'm going to program it. This one. Just check it again. It's working properly. So I'm going to program one more buttons to show the properly. Just press lock and unlock button together. When the LED is flashing, leave your hand. Then choose the button you want to program, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I choose a 2. Then press it. And when LED is green, it means its program is success. If it is red color LED, it's not going to be work. Okay. So now the door is going to close. We will check it again. Now check the button, second button. It's working properly.